Each and every one of us has the ability and the opportunity to shape the future of Wales. One person taking a stance can make a real difference. And change can happen when people from a town or a village join forces to make improvements to their community. Demonstrations and protests give democracy a real voice. Even voting for who you want to represent you as your Assembly member is shaping our country. Now, as the presiding officer of the National Assembly, I'd like to see your pictures of democracy in action in Wales. You don't need to be a photographer or even have a camera. We're as keen to see blurry action pictures taken with your smartphone as we are to look at images from a professional digital camera. Now, as long as these images illustrate the power we have as Welsh citizens to change our country, do send them in to us. As well as giving you the opportunity to win some great prizes, your photographs will add to an historic visual record of Wales during this unique period in the history of Welsh devolution.